Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to unlock developer mode on a Chromebook in a simple step-by-step way. But keep in mind, this process will erase all your data. So before starting, make sure you back up everything important from your device. First, completely turn off your Chromebook. Once it's powered off, press and hold the escape key and the refresh key. Then press the power button. This will take you to the recovery screen. When you see the message that Chrome OS is missing or damaged, don't worry, this is normal. Now press Ctrl and D on your keyboard. You will see a prompt asking if you want to turn off OS verification. Press Enter to confirm. Your Chromebook will now begin switching to developer mode, and this process may take a few minutes as the system resets itself. During this time, your device will restart and wipe all local data. Once it's done, you'll see a screen saying OS verification is off. From now on, every time you start your Chromebook, you will see this screen. Just press Ctrl and D or wait a few seconds to continue booting. Now your Chromebook is in developer mode, which allows deeper system access, including installing custom software and making advanced changes. Just remember, developer mode reduces some security features, so only use it if you understand the risks and really need the extra control. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.